Welcome to Do It Style channel. This is the second episode in series of my Unity journey. Let's start. This is my 2D demo project, and I have created some basic objects there. Oh, but wait, what is the object? Yeah, I can say that its entity in Unity scene, or for easier understanding in a game scene, can be called as an object. From point of user view, this game here, we can see this main layer in an object, and the info about the number of lines on top string is also the game object. Now return to the project. There's an object that you can see easily on Game tab, such as player, panel, stats, but there are also objects not to be seen, such as main cameras, canvas, event system. A game can be a simulation of the real world, so objects in games also have many properties to show up, including positions. Position means the coordinate of an object in three-dimensional space. But space in Unity can be divided into two types, workspace and screen-based. Workspace means the whole space that arranged below screen-based on game scene, and screen space means the space that's on UI elements such as text, image, button, player stop of the game scene. But need to note that UI elements not only exist in the screen space, they can exist in workspace too. I will have two examples for easy understanding. Now UI text hello is on screen space, so it renders on top of scene and can cover other objects in workspace. If the camera moves away, it still be there, but layer objects maybe disappear. And another example, I will add one more UI text, but attach it in the layer. Now this text exists on the workspace, so it can be covered by any object in screen space. Next, we will go deeper into the screen space. Are you ready? Let me see screen space again is categorized into two types, screen space overlay and screen space camera. They are basically similar, but the screen space cameras can create the feeling of depth. If I set screen space overlay for the canvas and rotate its panel child, we only see that the panel beside its head. But if I set render mode to camera for canvas and also rotate the panel, yeah, we can feel depth now. It seems like rotating around its axis. Examples of all. Player position is the work point, and text position is string point. So if I want the layer moves to set position, it means I need to have position of set in workspace. And vice versa, if I want the text move to player position, it means I need to have position of layer in screen space. And all of these can be done by built function in Unity, so you can easily convert a point between work and screen space. But note that converted point has that value depend on the camera, so need to change the value a bit before showing exactly on your target space.